Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. If you're holding an Android device in your hands, I want to show you these APN settings that will be working on your Android device to provide you with a secure internet. So these are the settings. You're going to open your settings. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to share. If you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. After opening settings, open connections, and then go to mobile networks, and then in your mobile networks choose access point names. Access the plus button, and this is how you're going to set each and everything. Subscribe, like the tutorial, and share. So the APN name will be 4G, a single space 5G. Be much keen, because any mistake you make, they will fail to connect. Ultra network, and then check OK. And then the APN right here, put internet, and then the proxy you're going to put be much keen, because any mistake you make, they won't connect. So watch what I'm doing. It is proxy, it is 127.0.0.1. check OK. The port is 8080, and then the username is guest, and the password is also guest, and the server you're going to use http://www.google.com, and the MMSC of mms.msg.en/mobile.com/mms/wapnek, and that is it. Check OK. The MMS proxy, it is 216.155. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the tutorial. 165.50. check OK. The MMS port, put 8080. The MCC, you're going to use 3. Remove what you found, put 310. The MNC, you're free to use 02. Authentication type, PAP or CHAP. Then the APN type, you're going to type default, comma, SUPL, comma, MMS, comma, DUN, comma, FOTA, like that. The APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. The APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now bearer, you're going to check every box. As you see, check all the boxes. It works on only Android devices. Check OK. And then the mobile virtual private network type, it is SPN, and then you put here your carrier. put here your carrier's name in any country. For example, you can wrap and put echo. You can wrap and put any network. You can put, for example, that or that any networker's name. Just put it and your country's initials, and then that is it. After save, we'll be able to access a secure internet. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustech, and I sign out.